Good morning, my dear students. Today topic is logarithms in real numbers. Last topic in real numbers. So logarithms are uses to calculate large values, to multiply and division. Also, product of decimal values is to calculate easy in logarithm form. Okay. The father of logarithms, John Napier. So this is created by Napier tables. In higher classes, Napier tables it is the particular one of the book, that is logarithm book or Napier book. So using calculate pH values and physical values and chemical values to calculate easy methods in logarithms. Okay, definition. If a power n equal to x, where a and x are positive numbers and a not equal to 1, then log x base a equal to n is called logarithm of x and base is a. So this is form is called exponential form. A power n that equal to x. So this is a logarithm form. So in logarithm form, so this base is changed to logarithm form in base. So this value is the number. So log x base a equal to this power equal to n. Okay, so this is the logarithm form. This is logarithm form. So this is exponential form. So given number of examples, we understand. Next, okay, applications of logarithm. First one, logarithms are used to calculate large values in multiplication and division. So large values, so 5 digits into 5 digits, 6 digits into 6 digits. So to calculate, so some time, extra time. So this is using logarithm to easy calculate in multiplication and division. So 5 digits by 5 digits, 5 digits by 6 digits. So to calculate in logarithm. Okay, to calculate engineering and economics. So in engineering and economics, to calculate pH values in chemistry, pH values. So this chemical is acid or basis of pH value. So to calculate easy in logarithm methods, so that is calculate values. Measure of magnitude of earthquakes. So in earthquakes, calculate in values is logarithms. To calculate compound interest. So in compound interest form is a equal p of 1 plus r by n whole to the power of n. So a equal p of 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of n. N is the number of conversions. Number of conversion 2 or 3 to easy calculate. Or number of conversion 5, 6. So the power is 5, 6. So don't calculate easy method. So in this using logarithms to calculate easy. Okay. So this is the logarithm of basis. Next. Logarithms methods. Logarithms, first one is common logarithm. So common logarithm means logarithm to calculate base. Base is very important. So base is 10 are known as common logarithm. So x equal to log 5 base 10. So base value is 10. So this base value is 10. This is called common logarithms. Okay, so natural logarithms. Logarithms to calculate e are known as natural logarithms. So in base is 10, common logarithms. Base is e, natural logarithms. Symbol of e is called exponential constant. E is an irrational number. We know that e is also irrational number. The value is 2.718. This is approximate value. Okay, so this ln, this is called ln. Ln x equal to log x base e. So ln 2 equal to 0.69314 and so on. So this is also irrational number. Ln 3. So 1.09861228 and so on. So no value repeated. So this is two numbers is called irrational numbers. Okay. Next, laws of exponents. We know that in previous classes, 8th and 9th classes, laws of exponents. First one is a to the power of n into a to the power of m. A to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. Second one, a to the power of m by a to the power of n, that equal to a to the power of m minus m, m greater than n. Or 1 by a to the power of n minus m, n greater than. So n value is greater than, so this is easy. So two values are equal, so this value is a to the power of m by a to the power of m. So a to the power of m minus m, that is also a to the power of 0, that equal to 1. Okay, so third law is a to the power of m whole to the power of n equal to a to the power of m. Okay, next, fourth one is a to the power of minus n. So 1 by a to the power of n. This is a negative exponential. This is positive exponential. So a to the power of 0 is 1. We know that any power of 0 is 1. ab whole to the power of m equal to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. So a by b whole to the power of m equal to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. The power is so dividing two numbers. So a by b whole to the power of minus m equal to, so b by a, reciprocal negative is changed to positive. So b by a whole to the power of m. So what about laws of exponents using in logarithms? So first ఈ బేసిస్ గా లాగరిథమ్స్ యూజ్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి సో వాటి గురించి ఫస్ట్ చెప్పుకుందాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ ఆఫ్ లాగరిథమ్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ లాగ్ x into y base a, we know that a value is 10 on any number. So log x y base a equal to, so two numbers are product in exponential form, a to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to the power of m plus n, powers are adding. So in product, so values are adding. So log x base a plus log y base a. So product, so adding. So base is same. So a value is base. So base is same. Log x by y base a. In this exponential form, okay, a to the power of m by a to the power of n, a to the power of m minus n, powers are negative. So log x base a minus log y base a. So ఇక్కడ డివైడ్ అయితే నెగటివ్, ప్రోడక్ట్ అయితే ప్లస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లాగ్ x to the power of n base a equal to, so the power is front become, so n into log x base a. Okay, so log x to the power of m base y to the power of n, so powers are front m by n, so log x base a. Fifth one, log x base a in write down 1 by log y base x. So number is base is number, change. Next, log x base y equal to, you know that log x by log y. So log x base y, you write down log x by log y. So log a base a is 1. So a not equal to 1. So a value 1 లేకున్నా ఉన్నట్లయితే ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా ఉండండి, దట్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ 1. log 5 base 5 1, log 10 base 10 1, log 2 base 2 1, log 20 base 20 1, log 100 base 100 1, log 1000 base 1000 1, log 120 base 120 1. So any number, so a not equal to 1. సో ఏ 1 కాకుండా ఏ నెంబర్ తీసుకున్నప్పటికీ వాల్యూ అనేది 1 అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ log 1 base a, that equal to 0. So a greater than 1. So a value 1 is greater than 1 అయితే 0 అవుతుంది. a to the power of log n base a, a to the power of log n base a. So this base a, this base are equal, so that equal to number. This base are equal, that equal to number. So log 0 base a undefined. So don't write in this value in exponential form. So therefore undefined. Okay. So these are all our laws of logarithms. Okay. Next. Write the following exponential form to convert to logarithm form. So to change exponential form to logarithm form. Okay, 11 square equal to 121. We know that 11 square equal to 121. So this is called exponential form. So this is exponential form. Logarithm form is log 121. So this base is this base. That equal to power equal to, that equal to power. Okay, understand? Look at 11 square equal to 121. So logarithm form is log, this number 121. This base is changed to logarithm base 11. So that equal to power. Okay, simple. So this is exponential form. This is logarithm form. So another example. 0.1 whole cube equal to 0.001. So this is exponential form. Logarithm form. Log this number 0.001. So this base is this base, logarithm base 0.1, that equal to power equal to 3. Okay, next a to the power of 1 equal to a, we know that. So this is exponential form. Logarithm form is log a. So this base is a, that equal to 1. So we know that this is one of the laws of exponential form. So log a base a equal to 1. Okay, next 2 to the power of 5, that equal to 32. So exponential form. Logarithm form is so log this number 32. This base is changed to base, that equal to power. Okay, 2 to the power of 10 equal to 1024. So this is exponential form. Logarithm form is log 1024. So this base equal to 10. So power equal to 10. So these are changed to exponential form to logarithm forms. Okay, thank you.